It has been exactly 1 month since I was promoted from DarwinIA Silver over to DarwinIA Gold. And how did I go this month? I made 2.13% on my account and did end the month 28th out of 198 people. Trading on DarwinIA Gold is so much harder than trading on silver. Even though in gold there's only currently 198 people in October 2024 versus the 7,000 people in silver, the 200 people are the best of the best, and it's just getting harder and harder every single month. So in October there was 198. As of recording right now, it is November and it's already jumped up to 222 people. Just over a year ago, back in September 2023, there was only 110 people participating in DarwinIA Gold. And the formula for getting allocation in DarwinIA Gold is relative to everybody else. So you are competing against the best of the best, and every single month the competition gets harder and harder and harder. Whereas in DarwinIA Silver, you don't have to compete against anyone else. The ranking system is based on your performance, your profits, and your drawdowns. Headed back to my own DarwinIA account, and I am building this one up to attract investor capital in a few years' time. So you can see currently this year, 2024, I've made a total of 25.73%, and it doesn't always make profit. So in June, I did make a negative 0.4 loss. So same in March and Jan, but at least I am keeping my losses under 1%, and my profits generally have been much higher than my losses so far. Let's head over to FX Blue because I'm much more familiar with the layout and the stats. And this is my underlying strategy for my LFY account, and this is without the risk engine. So this might look slightly to what Darwinex shows you. So I started trading the Expert Advisors portfolio since about the 29th of January 2024, and so far it's made about $417 worth of profit in the past 283 days. On this account, the average win is $5.16, which is bigger than the average loss of $2.22. And I do trade a portfolio of Expert Advisors, so you can see a lot of different variety of currencies, mostly made up of the pound Japanese yen and the US Japanese yen. The robots I use are generated from EA Studio, and here is one of my portfolios. You can see there's about 15 different robots running on this particular account. Now these are all trading at 0.01 lot size, and most of the time I notice there's always a floating profit, but I try to resist and I don't touch it and let the Expert Advisor do its thing, and I don't meddle with it. This one is a demo account. What I do is I put all my Expert Advisors on a demo account, and then I use Traders Connect to copy it to my live account and my Darwinex account. If I apply a filter to the last month's worth of trading, 1st of October to the end of October, and hit filter, you'll be able to see the magic numbers that I used in this particular portfolio. So you can see 3 magic numbers. So these are 3 different portfolios, and they were all in profit in October. My personal magic number system goes year, month, day. So I know that this portfolio was generated on the 8th of September 2024. And I sent out this portfolio to the members of my community on September the 12th. And the group of portfolios consisted of 10 different strategies, all on the 1 hour time frame. And if you pay attention, you'll notice that these currencies do vary. I'll bring up 2 different portfolios so you can see how they vary week by week. The one on the left is the 8th of September, and on the one on the right is the 27th of September. You can see the number of strategies change, and the number of currencies do vary as well. Each of these robots is a low risk strategy because each one has a set take profit, a set stop loss, and there is absolutely no grid and no martingale because you can see here each one is trading at the same lot size. And I'll open a brand new chart window, and I'm going to go to account history, and if I grab a random USD Japanese yen trade, hold shift and drag this onto the chart, it will add all the other trades onto the chart for me. So we can take a look at each individual trade. You can see this trade right here was a buy trade, The take profit is all the way up here, but it looks like there is a trailing stop. So it entered, it didn't quite hit the take profit, and it hit the trailing drawdown. So this trade was a profitable one, but at the bottom here you can see a losing trade where this sell trade did almost hit its stop loss. Sometimes I'll have winning trades and sometimes I'll have losing trades, but that's okay because I balance them out in a portfolio. So ideally, when one strategy loses, another strategy hopefully will be a winner. So this month I've managed to secure 75k in allocation, which I get to keep for 6 months as part of DarwinIA Gold. But if you're not there yet and you're trading in DarwinIA Silver, then I recommend watching this video right here where I reveal my strategy for stacking up the DarwinIA Silver allocation, which I have managed to achieve for the past few months. Thanks. Bye.